Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about sensitive skin. You will discover that a sensitive skin actually doesn't exist. It's just because using the wrong products and skincare routines. Let's find out in this video. Please listen to me very carefully because what I'm about to tell you will completely change how you think about sensitive skin forever. Right now, as you're watching this video, millions of people are destroying their skin barriers every single morning. They wake up, look in the mirror at their red, irritated, burning skin, and what do? They pile on more products, more serums, more treatments, more expensive creams that promise miracles. And here's the brutal truth. You're probably one of them. If your skin stings when you apply products, if you get red patches that seem to appear out of nowhere, if you've convinced yourself that you just have difficult skin, stop everything you're doing right now. Because I'm about to expose the lies you've been told about sensitive skin and show you why everything you think you know is wrong. The skincare industry has brainwashed you into believing that more is better. That if your skin is reacting, you need stronger products, more steps, more intervention. But what if I told you that your 10-step routine is the exact reason your skin is screaming for help? What if the solution to your sensitive skin nightmare was actually doing less, not more? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your skin has been rebelling against you, and I'll give you the simple, natural protocol that has transformed thousands of sensitive skin sufferers from red, irritated disasters into glowing, calm, confident women. Let me paint you a picture of what's really happening to your skin right now, and I guarantee this will make you angry. Jill came to me after spending over $3,000 on skincare products in just 6 months. Her bathroom looked like a Sephora exploded. Vitamin C serums, retinol creams, AHA treatments, BHA toners, essence, ampoules, face oils, you name it, she had it. And her skin looked like she'd been stung by 1,000 bees. But here's what nobody told Jill and what nobody is telling you. Sensitive skin isn't a skin type. It's a cry for help. Your skin is literally screaming stop, but you keep adding more products because some influencer told you that's what you need. Every time you apply that fragrant moisturizer, you're triggering inflammation. Every time you use that gentle cleanser with sulfates, you're stripping your skin barrier. Every time you follow that complicated routine you found on social media, you're making everything worse. And the worst part? The beauty industry is counting on your confusion. They want you to believe that sensitive skin requires special, expensive products. They want you to think that the burning sensation means it's working. They profit from your desperation while your skin suffers. But here's what they don't want you to know. True sensitive skincare isn't about adding more products. It's about understanding what's actually broken and fixing it naturally. Now let me explain exactly what's happening under your skin. Because once you understand this, everything will click into place. When you have sensitive skin, you're dealing with two major disasters happening simultaneously. First, your skin barrier is compromised. Think of your skin barrier like the walls of your house. When it's damaged, everything bad gets in and everything good leaks out. Your ceramides are depleted, your natural moisturizing factors are gone, and your skin can't protect itself anymore. Second, you have chronic low-grade inflammation lurking under the surface. It's like having embers constantly burning under your skin, just waiting for the slightest trigger to burst into flames. This is controlled by something called TRPV1 receptors. These little troublemakers are scattered throughout your skin, and when they get activated, they send signals for burning, stinging, and itching. Here's where it gets really interesting and really infuriating. Every time you apply products with fragrances, essential oils, or harsh alcohols, you're literally throwing gasoline on those embers. Every time you overexfoliate or use products with the wrong pH, you're breaking down that protective barrier even more. And here's the kicker. Studies show that over 80% of people think they have sensitive skin. But most of them created their sensitivity through wrong product choices and overtreatment. Your skin wasn't born difficult. You made it difficult by following bad advice and falling for marketing lies. The good news: once you understand what's actually happening, you can fix it naturally, without spending hundreds of dollars on products that don't work. Here's where everything changes, and I want you to prepare yourself because this solution is so simple. You're going to be angry that nobody told you this before. The secret to healing sensitive skin isn't found in expensive serums or dermatologists' offices. It's found in nature, and it's been hiding in plain sight for centuries. But first, you need to do something that will feel impossible. You need to strip everything down to the absolute basics. I call it the Skin Rehabilitation Protocol, and it's based on 3 natural principles that work with your skin's biology instead of against it. First principle: barrier restoration through natural ceramide mimicking ingredients. Your skin needs specific lipids to rebuild its protective barrier. And the most effective ones come from natural sources like oats and plant-based ceramides. Colloidal oatmeal isn't just a trendy ingredient, it's actually FDA approved for treating eczema, because it naturally soothes inflammation and repairs barrier function. Second principle: anti-inflammatory support through plant medicine. Centella Asiatica, also known as tiger grass, it's been used in traditional medicine for wound healing for over 2,000 years. Modern science has proven it downregulates those troublesome TRPV1 receptors I mentioned earlier, literally calming the fire under your skin. Third principle: microbiome support through natural probiotics. Your skin has its own ecosystem, and when it's disrupted, sensitivity follows. Natural fermented ingredients like bifida ferment lysate help restore balance and reduce inflammatory responses. The beauty of this approach is that you're not masking symptoms. You're actually addressing the root causes naturally. Let me tell you about Brittany, because her story will give you hope and show you exactly what's possible when you stop fighting your skin and start healing it naturally. Brittany had been struggling with sensitive skin for 15 years. She couldn't wear makeup without her face turning into a red, burning mess. She'd tried everything: prescription creams, expensive spa treatments, elimination diets. Nothing worked, and she was spending over $200 every month on products that made things worse. When she found my natural protocol, she was skeptical. "You're telling me to use fewer products, not more?" "Yes, exactly." Within the first week of following the natural healing approach, the constant burning sensation stopped. Within a month, she could wear makeup again without her skin revolting. Within 3 months, people were asking what she'd done because her skin looked completely transformed. But Brittany, her story isn't unique. I've seen this transformation happen hundreds of times when women finally understand that sensitive skin needs gentle, natural healing, not aggressive treatment. Take Jennifer, who had rosacea-type sensitivity so severe she couldn't go outside without a flare-up. After switching to the natural barrier repair protocol with oat-based cleansing and Centella-powered healing, she went from hiding behind makeup to going makeup-free with confidence. Or Rebecca, who spent 2 years convinced she was allergic to everything, only to discover that her sensitive skin was actually a damaged barrier. Crying out for natural ceramide support and probiotic balance. The pattern is always the same: women who stop overcomplicating their skincare and start supporting their skin's natural healing processes see dramatic improvements within weeks. Now I'm going to give you the exact protocol that has transformed thousands of sensitive skin sufferers. And I want you to pay close attention, because this is simpler than anything you've tried before. Morning routine, just 3 steps. That's it. First, cleanse with a gentle, oat-based cleanser that won't strip your barrier. Look for colloidal oatmeal as a main ingredient, not hidden at the bottom of the ingredient list. This naturally cleanses while providing anti-inflammatory support. Second, apply a Centella Asiatica serum or treatment. This is your healing powerhouse that will calm those overactive TRPV1 receptors and reduce inflammation naturally. Don't layer multiple serums, just this one targeted treatment. Third, moisturize with a ceramide-rich, fragrance-free formula, and always finish with mineral sunscreen containing zinc oxide. Zinc oxide isn't just sun protection, it's also naturally anti-inflammatory and calming for sensitive skin. Evening routine even simpler. Gentle cleansing, your Centella treatment, and a rich barrier-repairing moisturizer. That's it. It's no acids, no retinols, no complicated layering, just healing. The key is consistency with quality, natural ingredients, not quantity of products. Your skin needs time to heal, and it can't do that if you keep changing products every week or adding new treatments. Within 2 weeks, you should notice less burning and stinging. Within a month, the redness should be significantly reduced. Within 3 months, your skin barrier should be strong enough that you can gradually introduce other treatments if desired. Remember, this isn't about restriction forever. It's about healing first, then building from a strong foundation. Listen, I know this is completely different from everything you've been told about sensitive skincare. I know it feels scary to simplify when you've been convinced that more products equal better results. But here's what I need you to understand. Your skin has been trying to heal itself this entire time. Every reaction, every bit of redness, every stinging sensation has been your skin's way of asking for help. You just didn't know how to listen. The women who follow this natural healing protocol don't just get clearer skin. They get their confidence back. They stop hiding behind makeup. They stop avoiding social situations because they're embarrassed about their skin. They start living fully again. Your sensitive skin journey doesn't have to be a life sentence of expensive products and constant reactions. It can be the beginning of the healthiest, most radiant skin you've ever had. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening with your skin, hit that like button right now. And if you're ready to join thousands of women who have transformed their sensitive skin naturally, subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell because I share natural skincare solutions like this 6 days per week. Drop a comment below and tell me what's the most expensive product you've tried for sensitive skin that didn't work. I read every single comment, and your story might help another woman realize she's not alone in this struggle. Your skin transformation starts today. Stop fighting your skin and start healing it naturally. You've got this, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.